Let's see how to integrate LinkedIn as an action applications with other trigger applications. Let's choose Google Sheet Webhook as our trigger application to integrate with LinkedIn. Let us first log in to Wyzebulb account by clicking on with Sign in with Google or providing your login credentials. To trigger the webhook URL, we have to install the Trigger and Send extension. Open a new blank or untitled Google Sheet in your account. Go to Extensions under Navbar, and click on Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons, in the search bar section. Search Trigger and Send, then install it. Now to configure the app, again go to Extension and select Trigger and Send. Click on Configure for URL configuration, where Trigger and Send will be configured at the right side of your Google Sheet. Click on Create Flow and select Google Sheets Webhook as our trigger application under App. Next step is selecting Trigger Event, a new catch hook with which you can send, post, put or get data to Google Sheets URL is generated. Click on Save and Continue. In the Setup Webhook URL step, copy the webhook URL. Paste the copied webhook URL in your Google Sheet, and send data under Trigger and Send model. A pop-up model with success message will appear when the event is triggered. Trigger the test sample by selecting the test event. Click on Save and continue to save your test data. Choose LinkedIn as our action application under Apps. Move to the Action step. There are 3 actions in LinkedIn application: Create Test Post, Create Article or URL Post, and Create Organization. We'll choose Create Test Post. Further proceed with the Account Connection step. Connect your LinkedIn account by providing the email and password. Click on Sign In button to sign in. Then save and continue. Move to the Setup Action Template step. Fill the required fields by selecting the mapped data from your trigger application. Next step is to trigger the test action. A pop-up model with success message appears if required fields are filled. Click on Continue. Navigate to your LinkedIn account. Go to Post and Activity where a new post will be created. Click on Continue. Now save the flow with a suitable name for your reference. A flow will be saved under My Flows. When another new post is triggered from your trigger application, a success model will appear. Navigate to your LinkedIn account where a new post will be created. Thank you. For more such automations, visit Wyzebulb.